Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the love and for the support. If you are a new subscriber, welcome and welcome to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, karibu sana. Guys, if you want to consume a lot of my content, kindly subscribe, like and click that notification bell down here so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And today we have a very amazing topic, and you want to learn so much things in this channel. And today I have come with an amazing content for you guys. Today we want to discuss about having a successful week, things that will help us have a successful week. And one of the things we want to start is we want to start our week on Friday. Maybe we want to plan for next week. The best time is planning on Friday. Have a to-do list, write them on Friday, because from Monday to Friday you know what you've left behind so that you accomplish the next week. So you plan your week on Friday. Don't plan it over the weekend, because maybe over the weekend you are anxious, you've forgotten what you did not accomplish last week. Make sure you do them on Friday afternoon. Set your goals, serve your targets on Friday afternoon, so that when you come on Monday you are prepared. Now, coming on Monday, you are there starting your week on Monday. Get enough sleep before you start your week, so that you don't have to struggle all throughout the week. Make sure that you sleep early, have enough rest over the weekend. And then another thing is get prepared psychologically. Be positive about the week. Have positive vibes throughout the week, and you'll run the week so smoothly. Another thing is try and focus on one thing at a time. Leave all the things and focus on one thing. If multitasking is an option, avoid it at all costs unless it is necessary, and you will find that you will accomplish what you've planned for the week so easily. Another thing is make sure that you make friendship, create friendship in the workplace, everywhere that you go, so that you'll not have to brush shoulders with anyone, and you'll find that you'll have a successful week through that. Another thing is focus on the priorities on your to-do list. I know you will have a lot of things to do in your to-do list, even if it's 100 of them. Make sure that you prioritize what is the most important thing at that time. And then as you progress, you'll find that you will have accomplished a lot of things throughout the week. Another thing is don't impress teamwork. Don't end up struggling with something that you've shared with your friend, your colleague, your workmate, your boss, so that you'll be able to maneuver the project or anything that you are doing, and if you're finding any difficulty, you'll be able to maneuver it very fast and work it out as soon as possible. Because if you do it alone, you will end up wasting your own time. And remember, you have your to-do list and you have to finish them before Friday. And the best thing is just seek consultation. There is no harm in asking someone anything that you want to do throughout the week. Another thing is learn to say no. Sometimes our mind tells us, do this before this, do this before this, and you'll end up wasting your time. Learn to say no. Make sure that you focus in each and everything that you are doing. If there is something that you want to help someone, kindly help and come back to what you are doing. And at the end of the day, you'll be able to accomplish what you've planned to do. Then the last thing, if maybe during the week you've accomplished what you had planned to do, make sure that you don't delete it, you don't tick it up. Write them down as a progress, so that when you are doing your reviews, you'll be able to to know which one is done, which one is pending, and that will help you plan for the next week. Then coming on Friday, make sure that you assess the progress of what you had planned to do throughout the week. Maybe you accomplish 5 things out of 10. Try to see what were the main challenges that made you not to finish the task that you have planned for the week, and those challenges will help you plan for the future. Also, you will realize that by the end of the week, you've assessed your progress. You'll be able to plan the future, and you'll be able to have a successful coming weeks each and every time. Make sure on Friday, sit down, progress your week, study each item, learn from the mistakes. Just do it. That progress is so important. Then Friday, make sure you plan for the next week. Don't stress yourself, oh, I'll plan it on Saturday, oh, I'll plan it on Sunday. Just put weekends for resting so that by next week you will be having a successful week. You will have rested enough. Also on Friday, plan about your weekends. If you are to spend with your family, with your friends, if it's on a vacation, please plan them on Friday. Plan your Monday on Friday. Plan your week on Friday. Plan also your weekends on Friday. Make sure that during the weekends you have enough rest. Make sure that if it's cooking, kindly cook over the weekend so that during the week you don't have maybe a lot of work at home, and that will help you maneuver throughout the week so easily. And you love your job, because you know that when you go to work every Monday morning, I have to return all the mails, I have to do this, I have to do this, on Tuesday I have to do this. You'll find the week so easily. You love your job. You'll be longing for, maybe at the end of the day you've created friendship with your colleagues, and you'll be the very happiest person. You'll find your life more successful, your week more productive. Guys, I hope you've learned something new. Try these tips and let me know at the end of the week. Try these tips and let me know about them. If you try them, share your thoughts about it. And guys, until next time, I will see you with another amazing content. I love you guys, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye.